cinnamon rolls and bacon fried, Mama humming sweet by and by, radio playing Let It Snow, and I'm 8 years old in her glow. The tree lights flicker in the other room while Daddy's laughing off key and tune. Stockings hang and the house feels warm in Mama's kitchen on Christmas morn. Mama's kitchen on Christmas morn, where love was baked and memories born. The smell of coffee and hope still strong. That's a place where my heart belongs. Yeah, time stands still and peace is worn in Mama's kitchen on Christmas morn. Now I'm grown with kids of my own, trying to make a house a home. But every year when that coffee brews, I see her smile in the morning hue. That old recipe on the counter still, flour dust and a window's chill. I close my eyes and I'm back once more in Mama's kitchen on Christmas morn. Mama's kitchen on Christmas morn, where love was baked and memories born. The smell of coffee and hope still strong. That's the place where my heart belongs. Yeah, time stands still and peace is worn in Mama's kitchen on Christmas morn. No fancy feast, no store-bought cheer, just laughter loud and heart sincere. Every joy I've ever known started there in that old home. Mama's kitchen on Christmas morn, where love's a gift forever warm. The years may fade, but I still adore that gentle peace behind her door. Yeah, heaven feels a little more near when I remember her Christmas here. Smells like cinnamon and love again in Mama's kitchen on Christmas morn.